Are we recording? Oh, yes, we are. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanissa, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit more different. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Okay, so today we're going to be trying out 3 shades of gray contacts that I picked on the website. I am not sponsored by them. I purchased these on my own. So I ordered 3 shades of gray. I'm going to be listing the names of each one and how they look on my eyes, how it looks with my complexion and my eye color. I do have dark brown eyes, so let's see how that looks. Stay tuned. So I have been seeing a lot of YouTubers actually purchase contacts from them, and they're known for their packaging. Their packaging is like so cute. I'm a sucker for packaging. So I'm gonna show you guys how the packaging is and how it looks. This cute little mirror, and comes in this little cute little envelope. We're gonna take it out. So this is what the mirror looks like. So they give you a mirror to help you put the contact in your eyes. That's so cute. Now we're going to try on the contact, which I'm so excited for. They each also come with their own contact case to put them in. You can have them in the case for a year. You can wear them for a year as well. Also comes with these cute tools. What the tools look like, this is to help you put the contact in your eye. I am blind as a bat. I've been wearing glasses and contacts since the age of 7. I'm like a pro in putting contacts in. I am wearing contacts right now, which are my clear contacts. My vision numbers, I know my left eye is a 450, and then my right eye is a 425. So that's what I ordered my contact in. You can also order it without any prescription on it, but I'm blind. I'm blind. So let's get started. Also, since you are dealing with your eyes and you're going to be touching your eyes, always wash your hands before putting on any contacts. Make sure you wash it with soap, because you don't want to get any bacteria in your eyes or any dirt in your eyes. So it's very important to wash your hands. Alright, so let's see how they look. So the first contacts that I'm going to try on is passion fruit gray that we are going to try out. So let me remove my clear contacts out and I'll come back with you guys. I'm blind right now. I cannot see anything. Okay, now we're gonna put the other one in because I look crazy right now with 2 different color eyes. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got it in. Let me make sure I ain't got no crust in my eyes and nothing before I show you guys. Give me a second. Okay, these are pretty cute. So these are passion fruit gray. This is how it looks from far. These are like my bad girl's eyes. You feel me? Like, I see you. Fun fact, these are actually the same contacts I had on for my everyday makeup look. So if you guys are wondering what contacts I had on, these are the ones. These are super cute. You know, they look really cute with a nice soft glam. So I'm gonna show you guys up close how they look. Once again, these are the passion fruit gray. Okay, we're going to try the next one. So the next color gray shade that I ordered was Real India. I would say this one has like blue outline with like a yellow. So let's see how this one looks on me. So we're going to open this up. Okay, this is hard. Oh, that was not smart at all, Yanissa. I'm making a mess over here. Okay. Yeah, that kind of went in my mouth. Yeah, that was not smart at all. I think I opened it backwards. I did. I opened it backwards. Like an idiot. Of course. Okay, I mean, I gotta open halfway, I guess. Why am I struggling right now? Why am I struggling? I'm like really struggling right now to open this. This was not meant for girls with nails. I'm ghetto. I am ghetto. I do not struggle for nobody. I cannot with myself. I'm doing a mess over here. Huge mess. Did it go in? Oh wow, it did. It did go in. Oh, they're coming out. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh, it fell out. Oh, hold them. My eyes are very sensitive. Like, that's one thing. I literally, every time I put on contacts, even with my own contacts, I tear a lot. My eyes are just very sensitive. Ooh, these are cute. No, guys, these are fire. Okay, I got it in. Your girl got it in. Okay, so these are the Real India, and these are really pretty. Like, there was a very big hype about this one right here, Real India, and now I see what was the hype, especially for dark brown eye colors. Yeah, it's very beautiful. So from what I'm seeing, just like how I said earlier, it does have this blue rim around it, and then in the middle it gives you almost like a gray hazel-ish look to it, and it's just so pretty. The next one that we are going to try out, this is the last one, it's called, damn, I can't even pronounce it. I'm probably gonna say it wrong. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm probably going to say it wrong, but I will spell it out for you guys right below here. It's called Euramerican Green Gray, I believe it's called. Yeah, that's the name. I'm gonna just, you know, put the name down here for you guys because I can't pronounce at all. Like, at all. Like, I suck at pronouncing stuff. So I tried, you know, E for effort. These are the last ones. Of course, I will leave the one I cannot pronounce last because, yeah. These are a little bit different than the other gray contacts. The other ones have little colors blended in. So this one does not have any color at all. It is just fully gray. we are going to try these out and see what they look like. I didn't think that it was gonna be a struggle. Thank God I'm only doing 3 try-ons because I don't know how people on YouTube be trying like 10 pairs of different contacts. I cannot. I was like, I'm gonna get 3 and we gonna try out these 3 because I ain't got none of that. No, I do not. Okay, is this gonna go in with no problem? Please don't give me any problems. Just go in. Oh, yes. Okay, okay. That one behaved because the other ones were not behaving at all. And I didn't tear for that one. Okay, okay. These are, I'll put the name below because I'm not repeating myself. I struggled enough with that name. This is how these guys look. These are pretty cute. You know, I was kind of iffy about these. I'm not gonna lie. I was iffy. I gotta change up the hairstyle for these because these, I need to go out with these. These look nice. Feel me? These gonna turn me into another baddie. Okay. I was actually kind of scared of trying these on because I thought they were not going to look good on me since it didn't have a second color to mix with, especially that my eyes are dark. I thought they wouldn't really show on my eyes, but they do. I feel like these are more natural. I'm actually really liking these. Okay guys, so that is all from Ttdeye contact lens. Those were the 3 gray contacts that I chose. That is all for my video. I hope you guys like it. Comment below what contacts from the 3 that I chose you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also follow me on all my social medias and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.